Yan yung guest name. May guest talaga dito. Yan, may pangalan siya. And then, of course, yung pinaka-lock niya ay Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marz. For today's vlog guys, I'm going to unbox Guess Factory haul that I order online. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification for more videos. Without further ado, let's start!
Open up! You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
So this is the box guys that we're going to open. Goes from Guess Factory. Bubuksan na natin guys. Ayan, bubuksan natin. Weh! Ooh! Bukas na guys. Tararang! Ito ang laman ng... Oh! Makikita niyo agad yung sandal. Ayun. Sandal. So, hindi na nila nilagay sa ano talaga guys. Sa box para hindi mabigat ang shipping. Ayan, so, nag-order ako ng Guess sandal, which is 7.5. Ganito na siya pag dumating na, wala na yung box na Guess. Kasi baka mabigat. So, I'm gonna show you guys yung, ano. Wow, ang cute niya. So, I ordered 7.5. 7.5. Yeah, this is the sandal from Guess. Uy, ang cute niya. Ganda ng kulay. So, of course, yan yung Guess name. May Guess talaga dito. Yan, may pangalan siya. And then, of course, yung pinaka-lock niya ay may name din na Guess. Ayan, Guess. May Guess din dito sa ano niya, sa spike. Guess. Ayan. So, 7.5 yung size. Ang cute niya. So, ganito pag na-receive nyo yung ano guys. From Guess Factory. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ita-try on ko to later on guys. Ganda siya. Oh. Diba? Bongga. White na white yung ano niya talaga. Apakan. White na white yung apakan. Okay, so this is the first item. So that's the first item. So second item is, wow, yellow. Ayan, so bubuksan natin. So that you can see the product. Ooh, size medium. Parang ang laki niya. Yan. Size medium. Yan, size medium. So, try on ko to later on, guys. Size medium siya. The price is $26.99. $26.99. Gandang kulay. Yellow talaga. Yellow. O, diba? So, sinong mag-mine dyan? Mag-mine na kayo. Yellow mine. Parang nagbenta lang, no? So, lalagay muna natin dyan. So, next one is nag-order ako ng short. So, gonna show you. Ay, ang cute! Order ako ng size 27. Ang cute nyo, ho? Mamaya try on natin to. Size 27. Yun. So, yun. Short court. Short court ang pangalan nito. Ganda yung tela, guys. Super, super lambot. Stretch pa siya. Ayan, oh. Stretch. Super stretch. This is the inside color, black. So, and of course, yung button niya with guess on it. Yan. Of course, the little button over here has guess name on it. Yan. Ganda niyang tela. Tapos, ito yung likod ng short. May pangalang guess din. Yan. Ganda ng tela niya, ha? In fairness. Tapos, yung zipper, of course, may, may logo ng guess. Ayan. Logo ng guess. Uy, ganda niya. Ayan, oh. Yung price is $44.99. Which is, nabili ko to guys. Ano lang siya, 15% off. 15% off out of $44. So, yun ang binayaran ko. So, next item tayo. Uy, kulay blue. Yan. Ito lang yung dumating kasi I order, I think, 11 pieces item. Kaso na-cancel kasi at out of stock daw. So, ito lang yung bali 4 items lang dumating. Maganda ng kulay niya, guys. Medium pa rin siya. Ayan. Medium. Parang light blue siya. So, ang price nito ay $26.99. Ayan. $26.99. Ganda. So, try on natin, guys. And so, that's all, guys. Ito yung, resibo. May pa ako, love letter pa kay Guess. So, ito yung resibo ng Guess Factory. Ayan. Ko yung shipping, Guess Factory. Tapos, so, bali, 1, 2, 3, 4 item lang siya, guys. Kasi yung iba, na-cancel yung ibang product. Ooh! Ito na yun, guys. Yellow. Yan. Ito na kulay, guys. Yellow. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Medium size to. Yan. Medium size. Medium size siya. Ganda ng kulay. Yellow talaga. O, diba? This is the second t-shirt, guys. Ayan. Parang light blue yata. Aqua blue. I'm not sure. Ayan. Pinagtitripan. Ganda. Ano to siya? Medium size. Yan. Ganda yung tela. Soft na soft. So, this is the shirt, guys. Yan. So, takin natin. Yan. Ganda na yung short. Ganda yung short. 27 yung waistline. 27. Yan. Ganda. Sobing comfy niya. So, mag-order ako ulit nitong short. Napaka-comfy niya. At yan na, guys. Ito yung sandal. This is the short and the sandal. Cute ng sandal, no? Cute. Parang feeling ko malaki sa akin yung sandal. Feeling ko lang, ha? Pero hindi. Perfect size. Perfect size pala sa akin. Yan. From Guess, of course. From Guess. Yan. So, this is the sandal of the Guess, guys. Please excuse my nails. walang pedicure yung legs ko. Ay siya, very comfy. Size is 7.5. Ganda siya. Very comfy niya talaga. So, very comfy. Ayan. So, if you're planning to buy Guess sandal, ayan. Yan na. Ganda yung ano niya. Ganda yung design. Yeah, pang ano talaga siya. Pang social tarot. That's all for today, guys. Yun lang. So, 4 items of Guess Factory haul. So, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Hope to see you next vlog, guys. I'll see you soon. Mwah! I love you all. Bye for now.